Water devastating crisis. Every year, 5% more waste pollutes our waters, stripping them of their beauty and suffocating marine life. The impact is severe, with a 20% decline in vibrant aquatic species. A staggering $1 billion has been spent on cleanup efforts, yet tourism continues to suffer with a 50% drop, leaving once bustling destinations abandoned as investors pull out. To make matters worse, there has been a 30% rise in disease rates, deeply affecting our communities in such a harmful way. Water surface cleaning robots offer a solution but face limitations. They struggle with low maneuverability, limited coverage, and propellers getting stuck in weeds. Additionally, they are inefficient at removing fine particles and pollutants, and navigating complex environments with obstacles remains a challenge. Meet Jal Swasthi, an innovative cleaning robot that combines the best of both worlds. Its semi-submersible design offers stability like a catamaran, along with the agility of a submarine, ensuring it glides effortlessly even in rough waters. Inspired by the sailfish, the biomimetic hull of Jal Swasthi reduces drag, enhancing speed and stability. It's a game-changer for water efficiency. Equipped with an advanced filtration system inspired by the intricate structure of coral reefs, this robot captures both large debris and microplastics with ease. Plus, waste disposal is a breeze with removable, high-capacity net bags. To efficiently gather and manage waste, Jal Swasthi's altitude-adjustable debris collection basket ensures both surface and submerged refuse are captured with precision. Stay ahead with intelligent water quality monitoring. Real-time sensors track pH, oxygen, and temperature, providing actionable insights right through an app. The bot faces issues like weed entanglement, battery overheating, and high pressure in the ballast tank, impacting its performance. With AI-driven predictive maintenance, sensors monitor performance and alert users to any issues, ensuring reliable and uninterrupted operation. Sustainability is key. Jal Swasthi operates on solar power, minimizing its environmental impact while extending operational time. Using swarm technology, multiple Jal Swasthi robots can work together, covering vast water surfaces efficiently and effectively.